sikat na sikat itong microphone na to because of its price and quality. And you will never believe me how much it changed my creating game. So let's unbox the Fifine microphone AM8. The Ampligame AM8 is a USB and XLR dynamic microphone. It also comes with the RGB. That means it is perfect for gaming, content creating, video creating, and especially podcast. And for actual review, I am currently using the dynamic microphone AM8. So that means lahat na naririnig nyo dito from the start of the video is the microphone itself. So, it's up to you to judge kung ito na ba talaga ang inyong magiging first dynamic microphone. And upon unboxing, you will get the microphone itself, the Fifine AM8, with a foam and of course a stand. This will give you an advantage para ma-mount mo siya sa kahit anong platform. But the real question is it worth of our money? Based on my experience, yes, it is worth of our money. For $50, you will get a lot. Okay, or you will get basically more than what you've paid for. And it is on par, okay? To be mentioned lang, okay? It is on par with my branded microphone. Di ko na sasabihin, but letter M yung name niya. And yes, I really like the design. It is a good design, professional design. The RGB, the 360, and pwede mong i-control yung output ng boss mo and yung input ng boses mo. That's what I like about it. And since this is an RGB microphone, you will get to control whatever color you like in your microphone. And syempre, hindi din mawawala yung kanyang dual connection, which is the USB-C and the XLR. And last but not the least, hindi rin mawawala dito yung kanyang mute and unmute option. So yun na nga, let's try it sa computer and tingnan kung ano nga ba ang quality nito. Tara, let's go! Alright guys, so we are back and today we are using our new microphone, the Fifine AM8. Okay, it's a microphone guys. A Fifine AM8 po is a dual connection microphone and it's best to use for podcast, gaming, video creating, and voiceover. Okay, napakadami niya pwedeng paggamitan and basically ang ganda rin siya. Ito guys, ginagamit ko siya ngayon. Ito, tatas natin siya. This one, ito, ginagamit natin siya ngayon. And napapansin nyo dan guys, hindi siya magandang gamitin kapag maalog yung surface nyo. So I suggest na gamitin nyo siya in a good platform para mas maganda yung input ng voice niyo. And again, you should, okay, gamitin nyo lang siya. Dito nyo po ilalagay, okay? Dito mas maganda, dito nyo i-position yung mouth nyo para yung boses nyo is directly dun sa input, no? And again, it's a good design, ang ganda ng design niya. And actually, what I really like this is napakamura niya for the quality that it gives. Diba? Ang ganda ng quality nito, kung makikita nyo dito. And actually, on par nga siya. I think on par siya dun sa Maono microphone natin dito, guys. I think it's on par dito, no? And ayun nga, 'di ba? I think ito muna yung magagamit natin in future videos natin. Ang ganda ng design. I really like the design. And para kasi siyang 'di ba? Para siyang professional microphone for its price. No, napakamura nito, guys. Kung titingnan niyo, hindi ko siya sugarcoat, guys, ha. If you want to check it out, just check it out, 'di ba? Pwede niyo siyang gamitin for gaming, podcast, voiceovers, kayo na pong bahala. And again, ito, makikita nyo siya dito sa fifinemicrophone.com. And kagandahan nito guys, ito, pwede nyo siyang patayin. Tap lang. Tinatap ko lang siya and basically you're all good to go na. Tinatap ko lang siya guys and basically you're all good to go na, no? And pwede nyo siyang palitan yung mga ilaw nito, yung RGB nito. RGB din po pala to. Ito guys, the Fifine AM8 streaming mic, pro sound for gaming, plug and play convenience. So plug and play din naman po siya. So pwede siyang gamitin ng pwede siyang gamitin sa Type-C. Okay, check out natin tong Fifine microphone. So, Fifine Ampligame AM8 USB XLR dynamic microphone with the RGB. Okay? Ito, ganito lang siya kamura, guys. And if you are going to venture the content creating or the podcasting, 'di ba? Pwede niyo siyang i-consider, 'di ba? For its price, napakaganda ng quality nito. And again, sabi ko nga, para siyang on par dun sa mauna ko. And available in 3 colors to, guys. Kayo na pong bahala. Again, I am not forcing you, guys. Okay? It is my own experience. Sinasabi ko lang sa inyo. Kayo na pong bahala. Again, gamit ko ngayon siya currently. I'm currently using it. The Fifine M8. And kayo pong bahala. Kayo na po ang mag-judge kung maganda nga ba siya or hindi. Again, this is the Fifine. Siguro hanggang dito lang tayo. No? This is the Fifine M8. I am Cheese Gaming. Bye-bye.